Welcome back, Simple Homeowners. I wanted to show you something today. I was out and about running some errands, and I needed a tool. And when I made it to Lowe's, I found the tool that I was looking for, and it also had another item that you get for free. I currently have the DeWalt 12v ecosystem that I'm using, and these are actually fairly good tools for just homeowner use for small things around the shop that I'm doing. So what I needed was a small reciprocal saw, and it's 12 volts. So I was looking for this, and then I noticed also it came with what they call a free gift. So it was a DeWalt starter package, a battery starter kit they call it. So you get a 3 amp battery and also 5 amp battery and a charger. So you buy this and you get this free, it comes with it. So this isn't a review of the actual items. I just wanted to show you the deal. So this was $149, and then this came along free with it. There was also other tools that you could get. It said, and I'll put up a picture of the sale flyer. This is what you get in the box. You get the saw itself, then you get the charger, you get a couple blades. One's like an 18 tooth, the other one is a 6 tooth. You can see it's much rougher there for bigger lumber. You get the 3 amp battery and you get the 5 amp battery. So I think that it's a pretty good deal, actually. And then just some of the other things that I have in the 12 volt, they call it the extreme version. I have the impact driver, and this works really good for just small stuff. Again, small stuff, and they're fairly light. And then I have the adjustable drill also with the different speeds. So it's pretty good. I've been pretty happy with them. They do a great job. I keep saying I'm going to go to the 20 volt system because they have more of these type of tools. But right now, between this and the Ryobis that I have, this seems to be taking care of what I need to do. I also wanted to show you on these batteries another feature that I like. They come with a built-in fuel gauge. You just click on that and it shows you what the status. Of course, these are brand new out of the box. They need to be charged. And even the 3 amp battery, same thing. This one you have to hold. So there you go. It's not really a review. I just wanted to let you know I found this at Lowe's, and it's a pretty good deal. I just wanted to pass it on to you guys so you can see. So thanks for watching. If you'd like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it.